We have an ionic compound plus an ionic compound, which makes this a double replacement reaction. In a double replacement reaction, we're going to take the first and the last and put them together. So the Rb is going to be combined with the fluorine. Just F, do not carry over this 2. We need to balance the charges when we make a new compound. So notice that rubidium has a positive 1 charge and fluoride has a negative 1 charge. So when I do +1 -1, those balance with each other so they cancel. So that's it for rubidium fluoride. My next compound is going to be third gets with second. So third is the magnesium and second is NO3, and that has a name that's called nitrate, NO3. So we are going to bring the 3 over to the right hand side because it is part of the polyatomic ion nitrate. Notice that nitrate has a -1 charge, so I'm going to put the -1 here, and then we need to balance that with the charge on magnesium, which is a +2 charge for magnesium. So to balance the charges, it's going to take 2 nitrates, because 2 times -1 will equal -2, to balance with this +2. And now these are the formulas for my 2 products. Finally, we need to balance the coefficients, 1 rubidium, 1 rubidium. When we balance nitrate, we want to balance it like a bundle. So I'm going to circle nitrate on both sides, and there's 1 nitrate on the left, but there are 2 nitrates on the right. So to fix that, I want to put a 2 here because that's going to give me 2 times 1 nitrate is 2 nitrates. Notice that I'm assuming this is 1 nitrate because it has no number outside of the circle. Whereas this one, that number's on the outside, so there's 2 nitrates. This has modified my rubidium. I now have 2 rubidium. So to fix it, I'll put a 2 here to give me 2 rubidiums on the right side. So we have 2 rubidiums, we have 2 nitrates, 1 magnesium, 2 fluorines, and this 2 in front now gives me 2 fluorines over here. This is now balanced. Final answer is 2 rubidium nitrates and 1 magnesium fluoride react to form 2 rubidium fluorides and 1 magnesium nitrate.